Alright, here we go everybody. Look at this baby right here. This is the latest, greatest, most high-tech piece of crap to come out of China. This baby is awesome. This is the P-Series, what does it say? Protocol. That is awesome. It's a dual coaxial rotor. It's got one single propeller on the rear to perform all your 3D aerobatic needs. This baby is sweet. And I got another one right here in the box because whenever you buy anything from China, you got to make sure you buy at least 2 or 3, and hopefully when you get home one of them is going to work. So I already unboxed this one. I just wanted to skip that because it's so awesome. It's just incredible, and I just want to demonstrate the 3D flight capabilities of this helicopter. I got it for about, I think it was like $60 something, $69, I'm not sure, at my local Best Buy, and it's totally awesome. I'm just impressed. And this one's still in the box, of course, because it didn't work. So that's why it's there. So this one actually works. So I got this one out. So let's fire this baby up and see what she does. Oh yeah, look at the pretty lights. Lights on it. Yeah, man, this thing is totally cool. Watch this. Let's check it out. See what she does. Oh my God. This is a piece of garbage, man. Alright, take two, take two. Come on. I know you Chinese people can create a better piece of garbage than this. Can do it. Come on. A little Chinese piece of junk that could. Set your trim, set your trim. It's gonna do it. It's gonna take off. Wow, I'm totally freaking impressed.